Hello YouTube, my name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Flutter Native Splash screen to your Flutter applications like this. So this is the because it was already up here, let me go ahead, clear the screen and then launch it again. So you can see this is a splash screen that I created with this native splash plugin. So you'll simply go ahead and go to pub.dev and then look for Flutter Native Splash, and you can see this is available for everything: Android, iOS, Linux, Mac OS, web and Windows. And this is awesome app. So simply go ahead, and what you need to do, simply go ahead and follow these instructions. Copy this dependency, dev dependency, and then create this native Flutter Native Splash.yml file. I'll just go over this file in a moment, and then you will have to run this package to create and do all of the things. This is in case if you want to name your file with a different name, so you can run this command instead of this one. So let's go ahead and do it. So first of all, go ahead and launch your favorite, whatever it is, VS Code, Android Studio, doesn't matter. Go to your pubspec.yml, and here, where is it? You simply paste that Flutter Native Splash, whatever the version is, and then you can simply go ahead and say pub-get, click on it, and this is going to run like this, and you must get 0 in return. Once it's done, what you need to do, you simply go ahead and create this file in your root directory. So simply go to your application folder, right click or whatever, simply go ahead and create this file, and the file name, it's better to give the same name, Flutter Native Splash.yml. Then you will have to give an image source. So this is background color that you saw, the background color like this. Let me show you. So this is the background color, and then we have this image for this is basically logo. So make sure your logo is smaller and bigger, whatever you want to make it. So my size of the logo is basically 1024 into 1024 pixel, so basically square. And then there are a few others. So fill true, if we make it fill true, it's the image, the logo is going to be throughout the screen, which doesn't look good, but in case if you want, you can do that. These are the platform specific, so this is only for Android at the moment. If you are using for iOS or web, you simply have to uncomment it and then turn it, like make it true. These are some positioning for your logo, so you can, as I told you, use these. Fill true, fill horizontal true. You just have to write yourself, you won't get it like this on your YML file. So these are few info. This is for iOS. So once you're done, what you need to do, once you're done with this configuration file for this splash screen, this is the image that I have. Let me show you. So it's where the images folder, I don't find it. Where is it? View must be somewhere here. I can see it now. Yeah, just trying to fix these things first. So you can see this is the image that I have. Where is the this one? So this is the size of the image, okay? And what happens when it goes on the screen of a device like this? This becomes so small, right? So this is 1024 by 1024 pixel, and this is how it becomes. So I have not customized it. You can use the fill and all that, horizontal, vertical fill, horizontal fill, true. And then once you're done with the configuration, you'll simply go ahead and run this command. So it's very simple. Go to terminal. I'm not going to run it because mine is working just fine. So simply go ahead and say create. If I have made any change, this will be updated. So anytime you want to make change, you definitely want to run it. And once that's done, you simply go ahead and refresh your application and check if you're happy with it. So just a moment. Here we go, guys. So simply go ahead and launch it again, and this is how it looks. So this is the background color that you see. This is the logo of 1024 by 1024. If you make it 512 by 512, that becomes very small for a lot of screens these days. So you want to make at least 1024 into 1024 pixel. You can simply double it using softwares like Paint or what, Photoshop, whatever you have. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.